Hello friends, welcome to SR Physics Academy. Today we are going to discuss about motion in a straight line part 1. In this chapter we shall focus motion in a straight line. As we know the word kinematics. Kinematics is a study of motion of physical bodies without going into the cause of its motion. In kinematics, we deal with the physical quantities like distance, displacement, speed, velocity and acceleration. Here, motion is common to everything in the universe. It is change in position of an object with the time. For example, the earth rotates once every 24 hours and revolves round the sun once in a year. The sun itself in motion in the Milky Way, which is again moving within its local group of galaxies. So in this chapter we shall study about motion under straight line. First we should know that what is rest. An object is said to be at rest if it does not change its position. That word is important here. It does not, rest means what? It does not change its position with respect to its surrounding with time. So here let's discuss with some example. A book lying on a table. When the book is lying on the table, then we can say that it is the rest position. Even a clock hanging on the wall, that is also another example of rest. Even a chair in a room, a person sitting on a chair. When the person is sitting on a chair, then we can say that he is taking rest. Okay, that means it is not moving anywhere. A flower pot in the garden, bottle kept on a table. A lot of examples are example in rest. So here now what is rest? That means any object you take, if it does not change its position with respect to its surrounding with the time. So the rest we can also call stationary object. Next is what is motion. So here the rest means it does not change. But in this case what? It changed. Means if the position changes with respect to its surrounding and time. Here an object is said to be in motion with respect to an observer if its position changes with the time with respect to that observer. Otherwise we can say that here if their position does not change. Okay, that means the rest, if the position does not change with respect to the option, then we can say that it is a rest. But here the motion, if the position changes with respect to its surrounding and time, then we can say it is called motion. So what is the examples of here motion? A flying bird. See, when it is a flying bird, then we can say it is motion. But if it is not flying, it is just simply sitting, or that means what you say, it is we can say that it is the bird is taking rest, like that. A boy playing football. The moving blades of the fan. That what is the meaning of here? That word is important here. The moving blade of the fan. A rocking chair, then a planet around the sun. These are all the example of rest and motions. Now, how the rest and motions are relative terms. Let's discuss here. Here, an object which is at rest then can also be in motion simultaneously. So, what is the meaning of here? How the rest and motions are relative. Here, the passenger sitting in a moving bus are at rest with respect to each other. What is the meaning of this one? Here the passenger sitting in a bus. So this is just imagine that this is a moving a bus. So in this case, here both are here, that is driver is here and the three persons are there. So these people, these peoples are lookwise what? At rest, means each other. What is the meaning? Man is thinking that yes, he is taking a rest because he is sitting. Okay, he is not doing anything here. But they are also in motion at the same time with respect to other object, because here the person is standing out, even the trees are here. In this case, what happens, see the here the man is standing here. What is with respect to this person, what it is, the bus is moving, that means here these peoples also moving same time. So for example here, now so one more we can say that the here the boy is sitting inside the bus, and the tree and the boy outside the bus will appear to move in where, in opposite direction. See, bus is moving this direction, then it is their feeling that it is appear to the reverse direction, okay, opposite direction. Here this person is here, the driver is sitting, with respect to him driver is also taking rest. That means, so here, and with respect to these two means here the school children are standing here and this person is standing here. So here the both are at rest, okay, with respect to each other. Now just now we discuss about motion and its dimension. What is one dimension, or we can say motion in one dimension? We know that as a particle moving along a straight line path. Okay, straight line, or then we can say it is a one dimensional motion. For example, it is going in only one direction, that means x direction only it is going, that we can say that it is a 1D, one dimension. For example, motion of a car on a straight road, a man walking on a straight path, even motion of a train along a straight line. Even another example, freely falling body under gravity. These are the examples of one-dimensional motion. That means they will go only one particular direction. Then we can say one-dimensional motion. Next, what is two-dimensional motion? See that it is as the word only you know that what is two, that means either x-axis, here x and y axis they will go, or x and z axis, but they will prefer only two axis here. That means a particle moving in a plane is said to be undergo two-dimensional motion. That simply definition we can say, that we can say 2D. Here the motion of the earth around the sun, we can say that it is a two axis. And the motion of a boat in a river also, it is an example of two-dimensional motion. Even carom board coin we are playing, that is also two-dimensional motion. Next is three-dimensional motion. So in this word only 3D, three-dimensional, that means you understood, that is a x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, that is three coordinates it will come together, then we can say three-dimensional motion. So how we can say with the definition here, a particle moving in space is said to undergo three-dimensional motion. That means in space means they are free to move. So here motion of a flying bird and a motion of a kite, okay, even motion of aeroplane, these are all the examples of three-dimensional motion. Now, what is rectilinear motion? So, as we know here, that is, what is the meaning of one-dimensional motion? One-dimensional motion means here the motion along a straight line, or motion in, this word is very important, motion in particular direction. What is the meaning of here particular direction? That means either it will go x-axis or y-axis or z-axis. They will choose any one axis, then we can say one-dimensional motion. But it will go motion along a straight line. Okay, this word is also important, straight line. Then we can say one-dimensional motion. So here motion in a straight line is also called rectilinear motion, because we already know that here what are the type of motion we discussed later. Here what is rectilinear motion, curvilinear motion, okay, So this that is a rectilinear motion means what? The motion in a straight line. Okay. So what is the another name of rectilinear motion? The linear motion. Here recti means what? Straight. The word recti means straight line motion. The word itself only the name is there. The motion in a straight line path. Here, the motion of a car on a straight road, then we can say it is a rectilinear motion. Suppose the motion of a car, no, it is what? It is a curved road. Then how we can, or what do you say this one? This is not a rectilinear motion. We can say it is a curvilinear motion. It is also one type of motion. Now, the kid sliding down from a slide is the rectilinear motion. So, this is in this case also it is a straight path. Okay, then we can say it is a rectilinear motion. But it is suppose the slide it is a curved shape, then this we can say that it is a curvilinear motion. But in both cases, it is this is a straight road. This is a sliding down from a slide, what? It is a straight path only. Then this is all example of rectilinear motion. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching.